Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I would like to share with you an example of research instrument validation form based on the validity by C.H. Lauscher 1975 using the content validity ratio or CVR. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Couple of days ago, a friend of mine requested to help no his wife to conduct a research as a validator. So I agree upon. So in this video, I would like to share with you what is the content of a sample research instrument validation form. So in this case, we have here based on the criteria for construction questionnaires and evidence of validity by C.H. Lauscher, 1975, using the content validity ratio or CSVR. So validator's profile, yours truly, and then educational attainment, profession, name of the company, and then instruction here. So kindly rate each item checkbox in the instrument by responding to each for each questions of the items. Is the knowledge measured by the item essential, useful, or not essential or not necessary to the criteria of the evaluation of the plan o plan ligtas ng pamayanan or OLP program by the Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP, in Negros Occidental. So we have the ratings: essential for 3, 2 useful but not essential, 1 is not necessary. So we have a couple of questions here, whether we are agree or not. And then Bayanihan program or their their plans is being achieved or not in several areas in key programs here. After that, comments and suggestion. In my case, I don't have a signature over printed name as validator. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video on example of research instrument validation form based on the questionnaire evidence validity by C.H. Lauscher way back in 1975, still very useful until now in research using the content validity ratio or CVR. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new with my channel. See you in the next video guys. Until then, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.